Hi everybody, Brian from STEEDA.com here today to talk to you about our S197 billet lower rear control arms. Now, one of the things that you S197 owners experience is wheel hop, and it's because of the soft bushings the factory used, not to mention the fact that those bushings are starting to get old, especially if you have an earlier S197. So we offer 3 different control arms to suit you and the different needs that you may have. Each of the arms is built of CNC billet aluminum. This takes off 6 pounds from the lower control arms. That takes away unsprung weight, improves performance. So each one of these is going to be an upgrade compared to the factory control arms. Now, a lot of you are going through and adding performance upgrades to your car, but you're still driving down the street, or maybe you'll take it to the drag strip once in a while. We have the perfect balance for you. This particular arm, the street arm, utilizes polyurethane bushings at both ends. Polyurethane bushings are higher durometer, much higher than the factory rubber bushings that were in your original control arms. These will help alleviate wheel hop, but also won't transmit any noise, vibration, and harshness. For those of you taking it one step further, we have the perfect arm for you, designed for track and for street. We utilize a spherical bearing at the back end to reduce any deflection. It's Teflon coated, preloaded, and made of stainless steel. We pair that up with a polyurethane bushing. Polyurethane bushing is still going to be much stiffer than the factory rubber bushings, but it's not going to add any noise, vibration, or harshness, or at least very little. And for those of you looking for the ultimate in performance, but still street drivability, we have the perfect arm for you. It utilizes the same spherical bearing at the other end. However, we've equipped this arm with a Delrin bushing. This Delrin bushing is a much higher durometer. This means that there will be no deflection or very little deflection and instantaneous response. To sum it up, we have 3 great control arms for you. We have our street performance upgrade. We have our street and track performance upgrade. And this control arm actually is very popular with our GT500 owners and those of you that have added superchargers or other power adders to your car. And lastly, we have our track and street upgrade control arm. This is still streetable, however, it's really designed to be utilized and measured at the racetrack. Our billet control arms are proudly manufactured in the USA at our Georgia facility because speed matters. If you have any questions or comments about these, please post below. If you'd like to learn more about these control arms amongst many of our other suspension products, please visit STEEDA.com. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and have a great day.